Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Whole Lot Stuff. So today I'm back with another free course which will be available easily for you on YouTube itself. So let's see where we have to register for it. And before that, let's see what that course is actually about. So Pantech Solutions is offering us 15 days workshop on Arduino. So let's see what it is about and also the topics covered. So you just have to simply type Pantech Solutions on Google and click on the very first link. So here at the top, as you see, learn Arduino in 15 days. Click here for details. So you just have to register here by clicking on that button, and then you're redirected to this page. So here every information regarding this course is given. This is Arduino Masterclass and they have 10 plus projects included. So the event starts from November 30, 2020, that is right after 2 days, and it will be till December 14th, 2020. So the everyday basic timings are 6 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. They will be doing a live session on YouTube, and also they are providing us e-certificate, right? So it is a wonderful opportunity. Pantech Solution always offers us free courses like this, and if we are willing to do any internship further, then we have that option also. So 15 days class is free, as I told you before. So what all topics are included in this are given here, and if you want to upgrade it to 30 days internship, then you have to pay a sum of 750 rupees, which is absolutely very affordable. And also the topics covered in the 30 days internship is given here too. So you can see if this is really what you want to learn in Arduino, then you can clearly go for the internship. Also, if we scroll down, we can see here the unlimited features and unlimited learning. So how the basic and premium plan varies with each other. So you can quickly compare them both and enroll. So for now, as I'm talking about the free course, I will tell you how to register for that. So you just have to enter your details here, and then they will email you about when the course is and every detail which is necessary. So as I have registered for this course, the email looks something like this. You will also receive the same email. So here we can see what is the criteria for getting the e-certificate. So first of all, we have to subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is Pantech Solutions, which I will be showing you further. And next, while they are taking their live session, they will be uploading the attendance link also. So through that link, you just have to mark your attendance. So minimum of 10 classes attendance is required to get a free certificate. And also the important noting point is that attendance link will be only open till 15 minutes after the live session is completed. So just remember that you have to give your attendance for sure, because this is going to be just 15 classes, and out of that 10 classes attendance is a must. And also, if you want to know more about this course, you can follow them on Instagram and also join their Telegram group for more updates regarding further courses. So I will quickly show you up what is the name of their YouTube channel. So you just have to type Pantech Solutions. So this is the channel where they are going to take the live sessions. If you do not want to miss any Arduino class, you just have to click on the bell icon. If you feel that this video was informative, then hit the like button and also share with your friends who would be interested in this course. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. To get notified whenever we post a video, hit the bell icon.